Okay, today we're gonna change the headlights on our 2007 Dodge Charger. And first thing we're gonna have to do is over here in the wheel well, there are 3 clips that you have to pull out to get into this wheel well so you can take the bumper off. This clip happens to be one of the ones that were in here. Clips may vary depending on how old your car is and who's been driving it. And then right up here is a screw that we have to take out with our ratchet. So before you start undoing this, make sure your wheels turn so you can get a better angle on this and get your hand in there. This is a 10 millimeter socket wrench with an extension. All right, that's one. We'll go on the other side and we'll do the same thing. So now we've removed the clips on this side and we will take this bolt out up here, right here. You can see it right there. All right, bolt number 2. We don't have fog lights on our car, but if you do have fog lights, make sure you unplug the bulb, which you can go in from the other side, and just twist the bulb and pull it out. So that when you lower the bumper, you won't pull it out and wreck your wiring, okay? So on to the next step. The next step is we have 8 clips, 4 on each side, that hold the bumper in. They look like this, and what you do is get your screwdriver under and pry up the lid, and if you can, catch it onto that part right there. If you catch it on the top, you're gonna rip the tops off. Then you have to buy all new clips, which you can get at AutoZone. But if you can get your screwdriver to get some leverage and grab that right there and kind of pull it out, it'll come right out. Unlike most other cars, like the Chrysler 300, the Dodge Charger has 2 extra bolts. There's one right here, where my finger is, and there's another one on the other side, right there, 10 millimeters. And there's another one on this side over here. So you need an extension. There's also an extra nut on the inside of the fender well, which is right there. I'll zoom in on that for you. You have to take that off too. It's just a nut, it's not the whole screw. And you can get it from going inside the fender well, since you already have that off. And you can pull down the water shield and you'll see it right there, and you just unscrew it. In order to get this last bolt, you have to take out this clip and this clip to allow you access to pull this down enough to get in there and get the last bolt holding on the bumper. We'll get our handy dandy screwdriver in here, pop that bad boy out just like that. Okay, that's one. 2, 1.5. Now that we've taken all the screws out, let's lift the bumper off. While we're here, usually the Chargers and the 300s have a black plate that's screwed into here. So check underneath your car before you start doing this to make sure that you don't have to undo any clips that'll keep it. It's called a wash plate, the wash plate that's onto your bumper. Now that we're at this point, if you also want to change out your grill, you know, there's 2 screws right here. You can undo those screws, pop the grill out, and put in another grill, aftermarket grill, whatever. So, your side marker over here. This one fell off, but they clip on. Our new replacements are clipped on. So just press down on that clip and pull out. Right there's the back. So we have 3 screws. You have one right here, one right here, back here. And you should have one right here. Ours is missing. One less for us to do. Okay. And this is, again, an 8mm. There's one. Put that right there. And 2. Okay. Let's go with that one. There you go. And this one. Twist it out. Need a little help. All right. So. That's how you remove your old light. Okay. All right. All right, now we have our screws in. Let's just tighten them up. So now that we have this one in, we're just going to try it out and make sure it works. Everything's working. I-beams, perfect. Okay, now we're just going to have to go over here and do this side. This one over here has a bottom bolt, so we're going to undo the bottom bolt here. There's one. Two. Trying not to get them across. This is low beam, that's high beam. Lord have mercy. Little tight. Oh yeah, don't forget to pry this thing out too. Okay. Pries right off. Oh, look at that. Oh, fancy wiring there. Okay. So we have to take our side markers off before we put the car bumper back on. You just pull that clip out right here. Clips right in there. And the side marker. Side marker, got to feed them through or else you won't be able to get the bumper back on. Now we're getting ready to reassemble the car because our 2 lights are in. Right now we're going to button everything up and start by putting our screws back in right here. And now we're gonna do the other side. Now that we have everything screwed in, we're just gonna replace our water shield here back into place and put our clips in. Secure our clips up here. Got 4 on this side, 4 on this side. I've already started this one right here. Put the bottom in. Just press it in with your hand. And put the bottom in like that. And put your top in. Pretty much like that. We'll do that for the other ones. I hope that helps you change out the headlights in your 2007 Dodge Charger. This was a little more than usual because of the extra 2 screws that you have right here on the bumper. But once you get those bad boys out, it's pretty much a simple job to put the lights in as well as your marker. If you like this video, press like and also subscribe to our channel so we can help you with any other fixes you have for your cars. Thanks for watching.